good afternoon. Welcome to the Pearl. Anthony, but you're not supposed to be up here yet. Wait. So tell me now, Anthony, how you did? Talk. Wow. Thank you so much for that. Alright. So you say now, how me reach up here, how me dead? Fishbone stuck on my throat still. Fishbone. Fishbone kill you. Fishbone take me out, man. Anthony? Fishbone. Anthony, me go on earth and live for 30 odd years. 30 odd. And nowhere in a scripture you can't find nothing where say, and he almost choketh upon fishbone. But to be honest, I never see that in the Bible before, you're right. Nowhere in a scripture you don't see that. Eh? And I be your fish and them sick that we used to name. As a matter of fact, we feed 5,000 odd people, Anthony. 5,000 odd people name fish and bread. So dry fish and bread. And none of them, no ball, say fish bone stuck at them throat. And none of them do dead. So how you manage name fish? And fish bone stuck at your throat kill you? I need a story. I don't want to tell the story. You're supposed to know. I never want question, you know. Please to tell the story so everybody in the lobby can hear you. But I put it on loudspeaker. Bruh. So you want me to tell the story? Yeah, please to tell the story. Alright. How you manage make fishbone kill you? So you know Glorious, right? Yeah man, you know Glorious. So me and Reggie them, don't Reggie them go Glorious, you know? I would say, you know, we're gonna buy a couple snapper and a couple jack and thing. I will just go and consume some fish and go and enjoy like an afternoon and thing, you know? So when the fish them reach now, Mr. Ricky take out 20 grand out of pocket and say him a bet 20 grand to see who can name the snapper the fastest. Me guarantee you today say you're one idiot. No, you know say me love the competition already. You know my vibes already. So me make up my mind say that 20 grand they have to go on with me. Especially because of the bills. You know my bills then. You know my situation still already. So me tell the man them say yo, me I win this, you know. Me I win this. If I the last thing me do. And as you can realize, I the last thing me do. You know, say you're an idiot? Myself, have mercy. But you understand my situation? You understand to me? Of all the things you race for yam, you race for yam fish have 1 million bone in it. So what you want me for there now? What more you do? Go and sit in the lobby. Because I don't know what I do there right now. Let's go sit in the lobby and wait for your name for call. Alright.